How to check my score on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check your score on Mondly, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Mondly account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the page where you would see your categories. That is the different categories of languages or of words to learn under the language that you've chosen. And then by the lowest part of the screen, you can see some icons, which includes categories, lessons, statistics, on leaderboard, as well as shop. And then for you to be able to check out your score, the next step is to go to the lowest part of the screen and click on the statistics icon. Now, after clicking on the statistics icon, you would see how many minutes you spent on the last lesson or on the lessons you've learned so far, the number of words, as well as the phrases that you've learned. By the time you scroll down, you would see your progress, and then through this progress you'll be able to calculate the your score. You'll be able to calculate your score by looking at the number of words that you learned. All right, so on most occasions, if you've done enough practice, you'll be able to see the number of minutes that you use, and then you'll be able to see the number of words you've learned in comparison to the number of points that you have. Now for me, I had 13 points, and then from the bar which is seen under level 1, you can see that the bar is not full. All right, and it's not up to the half of the bar, which shows that I did not really do well. All right, so and then you can see 13 points, which is my score, directly my score. And I can also check my progress by looking at the daily progress graph that is being drawn here. So this is how you can check your score on Mondly. It is very simple. Just head over to your statistics page and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.